Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Visual C++ runtime errors in Hogwarts Legacy, including VC Runtime 140.dll and MSVCP140.dll on both Epic Games and Steam. Let's get straight into it. First, open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down until you see x86. Click VC Redist x86 to download it. Next, click VC Redist x64 to download it as well. Install the redistributables. Locate the files you just downloaded. Double-click VC Redist x64. Accept the terms and press Yes. Wait for the installation to finish. Click Close. Do not restart your PC yet. Now double-click VC Redist x86. Accept the terms and press Yes. Wait for the installation to complete. Final step, restart your PC. Once your computer restarts, launch Hogwarts Legacy again. The VC Runtime 140.dll and MSVCP140.dll errors should now be fixed. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.